I'm often asked, what is the best strategy when trading Forex? The answer is simple. I use a patient-based strategy. You can use this on any time frame. We're looking at the 4-hour, but you also know that I look at the lower time frame. When you do this, you are able to think more clearly and make better decisions. You're also less likely to make impulsive decisions that can lead to losses. When we look at this here, you can see I have areas marked off. This has already happened, so I understand it's easy to do when we look at it this way. But that's the whole point. We're using past data to help make better decisions when trading forward. We can start from the left here on the top. You can see price was moving up. Then it changed direction, breaking structure to the downside. We're looking for areas where price is going to react. We don't know where that's going to happen. It can happen anywhere on the chart. It's never going to look the same each time. Price comes up. We're paying attention to what the candle is doing. And you can see this is the 4-hour chart. Candle comes up, tests this area of structure here, and respects it, doesn't close past it. That is a clue that price may change direction. We can also see the wick coming up, touching into this voided area at the same time. So when we see this, this could be a clue that price may be going down. Doesn't mean that it will, but there's an indication that it could happen. Now you would drop down to the lower time frame. You would look for your particular type of entry pattern. It can be anything that you want. You can add indicators into your strategy. It doesn't matter what it is. You're using the higher time frame just to grab a directional bias. And you can see how price came down, came back up again, retesting this area and respecting it, and then continuing down. Price breaks below, comes back up, tests this area, and continues. And this happens over and over again every day on the charts. You just have to watch for it. It's hard to predict where price is going to go, but if you look to the left, you can see how the structure leaves clues for us. When price comes up into that area, if it looks like it's respecting that area, only then are you looking for an opportunity to trade in the opposite direction. Patience is the key ingredient in this recipe for success in Forex trading. It doesn't matter what strategy you're using, but if you do this, you're going to have a better chance of succeeding. So you're just patiently waiting, you're sitting on your hands, you're not doing a thing, you're just looking at the chart, seeing where everything is. If you're not getting enough off of one pair, depending on the type of strategy that you're doing, add another pair in there to watch, but it's entirely up to you and what you can handle. But you'll notice with a lot of these examples that I'm showing you here, price is coming up and testing these areas, and almost most of them have a voided area that they're testing as well. Like they're filling at the same time. You can see that the price is being tested here, and this area was filled. When price changed direction, you can see price came down, price came back up, filling this area, retesting this area of structure, and then changing direction. Now, some of them don't have that, but it's just something that you should be aware of. That may be an additional clue when you're trading. And if you can follow a set of rules and learn to analyze the data, you might be able to refine it and improve upon it. But if you make your strategy so complicated, you might not be able to understand how to make it better. But when you look at this, you can see it's just simply following how price is reacting. When price is reacted to a specific area, we consider that a potential opportunity. Looking for a trading opportunity now on any time frame you choose. It could be the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, whatever you decide that works best for you. Any combination of charts. This can work on any time frame. People that trade like this are more likely to have a better chance of succeeding. If you have any questions about this, let me know. And until next time, bye for now.